All right, guys. So in this box, I have some goodies, and they will be going on my wonderful pile of junk. So, long story short, we got a sponsorship, finally. I've worked long and hard for this, and minus a few setbacks, we will be unboxing what's in here. So, for this specific sponsorship and application, we will be walking you through what it is going to take to install this on my 2003 Acura RSX Type S with a K24 swap. So in the next clip, we will show you what is hidden inside. What's up, guys? This is the next clip of the video. We are sponsored by Magnum Powers. This QR code is going to be able to take you straight to their website so you can pause the video. But we will be showing you all of the little goodies inside of this box. Starting with the AC compressor mounting bracket. This will utilize you to still run AC. So this is going to be included with the kit, and it is made out of aluminum. Don't mind the packaging or the looks of any of these boxes, because I've opened this probably like 50 times already. I'm ready to install it. So what else will be included in the kit is a 3D printed carbon fiber composite. This is the new intake plenum. This bolts onto the side of the supercharger, and the throttle body will bolt to this. The other part of the kit that comes in is going to be the bypass valve. Pretty much this goes from the intake to the intake of the supercharger and allows you to maintain some positive boost pressure while you're off the throttle. That way when you step on the throttle again, you won't lose that much boost. Quicker throttle response. We have some mounting brackets, or some hardware pretty much, to mount the supercharger kit to the car. You have an electric water pump. This one is pretty high quality. It's up there in a few $100. This will be also included in the kit as well. You're gonna have the inlet and the outlet, 1-inch pipe thread, I believe. You can mount this anywhere, so it's pretty remote. Obviously, you're gonna be responsible for how you route your hoses and whatnot. And what else do we have? A remote thermostat with the same thing, a 1-inch thread in and out, and obviously the ability to maintain a heater, so you can mount this anywhere you want remotely as well. Because the supercharger, with it being an electric water pump kit, you're getting rid of the whole factory mechanical water pump on the K-Series platform. This is the throttle body adapter. This will replace the factory throttle body on your K-Series intake manifold, and this obviously will go to a coupler. The only thing the kit will not include is the intercooler, piping, and blow-off valve. You will be responsible for buying or fabricating your own. Now for the guts and glory of the Magnum Powers MP 1500 supercharger. In this box right here, I am so happy to announce that we will be putting this on the car. Now obviously some of these adapters, these are going to be completely different. This is only the first functional kit in existence, so get a close-up of that. You're going to have your manual tensioner, idler pulley, obviously supercharger pulley. This will be coming in different sizes. This kit is rated up to 300 to 500 horsepower, depending on your application, depending on what motor you're running, whether it's a Frankenstein K24, K20, straight K20, even the K20 A3, the base model engine. You can use that for this. Any K-Series platform, this will bolt to. So the sky's the limit with this. I'm gonna try to push 600 because I know my motor will handle it, and I've got some stuff off to the side that's gonna help me achieve more power. This is a Roots style supercharger and has a lot of positive induction. So this thing will definitely crank out some horse purrs. It is recommended any couplers that go onto any of the intercooler piping, any bends, they need to be aluminum. You can get straight couplers to straight couplers, obviously, but anything that's gonna have a 90 needs to be aluminum. This thing has a lot of vacuum because it needs a lot of air. So you will collapse any 90-degree boots to a literal pulp. This kit is different from other kits because it's independent. Most Supercharger kits, if you come over here, they utilize the factory plenum and they are cut off from the runners, and they have a bowl which the Supercharger bolts to. This is completely independent. This whole assembly over here, including the alternator, is going to be removed from this entirely and be replaced with this. So the Supercharger is going to be nice and tucked. We will walk you through an installation video about this Supercharger kit and how to bolt it on. But this is pretty much the complete kit. This is everything that you're going to be getting. So in the next clip, we will show you pretty much just a bead roll of everything. And you can go ahead and check out MagnumPowersports.com. Click under the K-Series sub bar or whatever, and you can view this Supercharger. It is not officially for sale yet. The other one that's in existence right now is temporarily for mock-up purposes. We have the first full functioning Supercharger kit, minus a couple of stuff like the intake adapter, the throttle body adapter, and the new intake plenum. These are 3D printed for now for placement, so we can get the kit physically bolted on for you guys. We will be getting the accurate version of these in the mail here in the next week. So I'm super excited to show you guys how this works. This is a brand new journey for us too. So please stay tuned for the remainder of the video and possibly some bloopers. But yes, in the next video is the bead roll of the close-up of the Supercharger kit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we look forward to being with you and showing you on the next video.